long ago we were driving like a blue haze.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm doing a makeup tutorial, but the catch is I'm going to be using a lot of new products. I think like around 5 or 10, and they're all like pretty well known or heard of, but I'm just now trying them out. So I figured I would do a tutorial with them and give you guys my first impressions. Follow me on Instagram, and all my social media will be linked down below. I'm kind of confused on whether or not I'm going to grow my bangs out or cut them. They need to cut right now, I know, but yeah, comment down below what you guys think. I'm actually kind of curious. Don't worry, they're not in the way for the video. If you want to see how I created this kind of like, you know, warm tone smoky eye with all the new products, then continue watching. My skin looks absolutely dreadful right now, but the first new product is actually Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I used my friends once this, but I decided to pick it up for myself. And yeah, it's by First Aid Beauty. I like how this is like a moisturizer and a primer in one, so it kind of like cuts out a step of your routine, honestly. Okay, those are all products I've used in a million tutorials, but now my face is looking quite oily. I promise we're about to get to the new products, but I'm just gonna set that now.
So maybe I've become a bullet to a handgun. I know when it's done.
I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quickly, and I ran out of my pomade, and this is the absolute perfect eyebrow pencil. I'm pretty sure this is literally like $3 and it works so well. I've not really been into like super full brows lately. It's like a dupe for the Anastasia brow marker. This is the Marc Jacobs Mirage Filter Instamark contour thing, and it looks like this. Okay, it's not insanely pigmented actually. I should have used a higher coverage foundation because this like is kind of drowning out the product a little bit, you know, because you can't see it on such like a smooth canvas. Okay, it's looking really good on camera. Not so much in the mirror though, honestly. But it's going where I'm placing my brush, so I really can't complain. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side and then blend it out, of course. Okay, it blended out like super well. Did you guys just see that? Oh my gosh, of course you saw it because I'm filming, but yeah, like an 8 out of 10. It's really blendable. Just goes on a little bit patchy. Okay, for blush I'm actually doing something I never do, but I'm taking this pink highlighter and using it. Kind of like how that looks because I don't really like a ton of blush. Next product are these iconic London drops, and they're basically a dupe for the Cover FX, but they're not really that much more inexpensive, and little highlighter drops that you're gonna blend out. So let's try them. Okay, I would say these drops are really comparable to the Cover FX ones. I think the Cover FX are a little bit better, but it could be because of the color choice, but I did try to get it as close as possible. But yeah, this is more like a silvery kind of gleaming look, and the other one has a little bit of glitter in it. So yeah, I also contoured my nose and it doesn't look that great. It's kind of muddy, but I just wanted it to look a little bit like natural. I'm just going to use the Subculture palette, which I've only used like twice on this channel because I can't get it to blend, but I'm gonna try for this video because there's some cool colors that I want to use. So yeah. Okay, the eyes are not the point of the video anyway, but I'm not going to show you like super close up because I just don't like how the shadows blended at all. Also, this is like a last minute kind of look. I think it makes my eyes look really nice though because they look super blue. But next, I'm actually trying out another new product, and that's the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. So it's been forever since I've worn mascara because just recently my eyelash extensions like fell out, and I hate the way mascara looks so like kind of cakey, so I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a lot later. Okay, so that's the finished like mascara. Don't worry, I'll zoom you guys in just so you can see like how it worked. But it definitely was super dark, which I like. But I just used a really light hand. Could have made my lashes a little bit longer and thicker if I went in with another coat. I really like the Roller Lash mascara. I could say it's a little bit better, like my preference, but if you want dramatic lashes, try that mascara. Last thing is this Sephora Tan Lines lipstick. I'm using a new product, the e.l.f. Pout Perfector, and it's supposed to be a knockoff Jouer lip topper. And I just thought of an idea. If you guys want me to do a video where I do like half my face inexpensive and half my face expensive products, let me know. Give this video a like or comment that down below because I think that'd be really cool. My card was full. Now I'm going in with the Pout Perfector. And yeah, it's just like a lip gloss. Like that lipstick was pretty glossy to begin with. I wouldn't put this like anywhere but the center of your lips though because it is really kind of goopy, but it's pigmented. So that's the final look, guys. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and I'll put my bangs away. Thanks for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. As always, comment down below any video suggestions you may have for me and I'll be sure to do them. Again, all my social media will be linked down below if you want to add me on Snapchat, follow my Instagram or Twitter. Yeah, that'd be great. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.